Welcome back to RKB Auto. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a rolling palace on wheels, redefining what luxury travel really means. Rolls-Royce has turned the idea of a simple road trip into a masterpiece of elegance, comfort, and innovation. From the very first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome makes a statement. At the front, you get the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, a bold Pantheon grille, and ultra-sleek matrix LED headlamps that announce authority on the road. The body design is all about seamless aerodynamics and timeless style, finished in a signature two-tone paint, surrounded by chrome accents, and sitting on massive 22-inch polished alloy wheels. The panoramic roof flows beautifully toward the rear, giving you a full, uninterrupted view of the sky. And thanks to Rolls-Royce's automatic leveling suspension, this massive motorhome stays perfectly balanced no matter the terrain. Of course, the signature soft closed doors add that familiar Rolls-Royce touch of refinement. Step inside, and you enter a world of handcrafted perfection. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, open pore wood veneers, and crystal detailing that glows under ambient lighting. The iconic starlight headliner extends across the living area, turning every night drive into a celestial experience. Up front, you'll find heated, massaging captain chairs and a fully digital infotainment suite that controls lighting, temperature, and entertainment at your command. The lounge easily converts into a dining space with an automatic table lift system, and the kitchen, finished in brushed aluminum and wood, comes equipped with a smart induction cooktop, refrigerator, and hidden storage for your glassware. In the rear suite, you'll find a king-size cashmere bed, automatic blackout system, and personal entertainment display. There's a spacious walk-in wardrobe and even a hidden safe for valuables. The bathroom is pure 5-star luxury, featuring a gold-accented rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and crystal fixtures. Everything inside responds to your voice, from the lights and curtains to the built-in aroma diffuser. Just say, "Hey Rolls, set mood lighting," and the cabin transforms instantly. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome runs on a hybrid V12 engine paired with an advanced electric drive system, delivering a breathtaking 800 horsepower. But this isn't just about owning a vehicle, it's about joining the Rolls-Royce lifestyle. In the end, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just a way to travel, it's a statement. A symbol of craftsmanship, innovation, and absolute luxury. For those who believe the journey should be as royal as the destination. Thanks for watching RKB Auto, your home for premium car and motorhome reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive luxury content from around the world.